Airsoft, I think it would be 8 right now. If this is going to be some video.
I feel like Scout the doggy. Alright, well, we're trying to spot Sam. Can't really see him right now.
See him.
Yeah. Let's move up to that little stick berm right there. Right up there.
Right back here. I think he's back there. We'll try to flank him. Just so you know, I'm horrible in 1v1.
I think I heard a noise.
Yeah, I know he's that way. I know for sure he's over there.
We can hear him. He doesn't see us.
You see him?
I can see him, but I can hear him. I know he's on that berm.
He's either in the valley or...
He's up on the berm. I feel like he's just gonna pop out.
I know. That's how it is with Sam.
What if he just comes running up that hill right there? We're going out in the open. Probably not a smart thing to do, but we gotta draw his attention. Melee weapon.
You don't know anything.
What was that, Tommy?
I said, if you think airsoft hurts more than paintball, you obviously haven't played paintball.
Probably like in the trees.
Yeah, I think he climbed a tree.
Bonsai!
If he pops out with a bayonet, I'm gonna freaking stab him.
You know he's coming out of a foxhole right now.
Oh yeah, he's crawling.
He's got a foxhole. All these leaves are covered in his foxhole.
If I fall into a foxhole, I'm gonna be pissed.
We should do that next war. Bring like a GI shovel and just dig a foxhole and we just camp there.
I have one of those GI shovels.
I do too.
Yeah.
Like it folds.
Yeah. It's called an Eastman. Stands for entrenching tool.
Digs me some foxholes, biatch. You think we should just call out and firefight?
Yeah. Hey Sam!
Don't worry, I got a 2x4. What?
Alright. I think we just heard him down this way.
Sam! We heard him shooting.
Either that or that was a woodpecker.
No. He's up there. Sam, we're calling firefight! Squish ball. It's a paintball. Tommy, he's not down there. We know he's up there. So why are you going down here?
Because I can.
Hi. Hi. We know he's somewhere up here. Like way up there.
This is scary.
I think we should just go up to the big fort and wait.
That's what I'm thinking.
Let's go. We're going up to one of our 2 major forts right up there, and we're just gonna wait. And here it is. Oh God, we have pants. Those are Elmer's, I think.
Not the pants.
All right, come on, let's go.